Howdy y'all, welcome back to the channel. This is the farm, and we do things on the farm that aren't quite by the textbook. Today we got ourselves a little project here. Found this old pocket watch down at the old property, rooting around in some old boxes, and I think this is my great uncle's pocket watch. I've got a picture of him here over here. He's long gone, but this was his pocket watch. I've already popped the back off, but I just kind of wanted to show y'all before I really got into it. Still moves, it's not rusted. Crusty. So let's pop this back off here, which I've already got it off. Not too bad. I mean, dirty, but not too terribly bad. Let's get further into it. Alright, so I've popped the seal here. Let's see how the dial actually looks underneath this old glass. Wow. That made a world of difference. Yellow, white. You can see it's a little dirty up here, but that's nothing. Let's look at this lens piece. Yeah, this was just dirt filthy. Yellowed. Kind of like the way it looks. This will look really cool when it's cleaned up. So we've got, right now, back, front, and watch. So let's continue. Okay, so on the back side here we've got 3, 4, 5, and 6 of these blue or blued screws. Let's take those out. Alright, upon further inspection into here, it doesn't look like anything was broke off. I had taken this outer casing off, and as you can see, there is no stem. Well, the stem sticks right into here, and as far as I can tell, nothing's broke off into here. The only thing that I can really see is maybe that whatever held it in here is gone, because I can take this bit right here and it still winds. Listen. Let's keep winding it and see if it does it. Maybe kicks back to life. Well, let's keep taking it apart because it doesn't look like... I mean, I can keep winding here, but I don't want to wind it too much because then it might cause it to mess up. Interesting. So, I mean, it still works a little bit. So let's continue on. Okay, so after I took those 3 screws out. This plate swings. Swings down, and I gotta take this front screw out. Alright, so just looking how this clip flips into here, it actually over and down into the watch. So I remember. Looky. Put it back together, and it's ticking. Let's see if I can focus in here. See it? It's ticking, and when I started, I wound it back up, and when I started it, the minute hand was right here at 20. I don't know why I don't know that, but 20 minutes, and it seems like it's kept time for at least 5 minutes. 15 minutes maybe. I've just been kind of letting it run here while I've been, my phone died. That was the big issue. I've been taking this, I assume this is silver case, but I've just been taking some of this steel wool. I've got a little bit over here. So I've been saving crusty front piece for y'all, but this is how the side is going, and I don't know if the camera can really do it justice, but I feel like it's done. It's not complete, but it looks a heck of a lot better now. Let's polish up this front. Let's move our clock out of the way, pocket watch out of the way, sorry. So let's get a good look at it before we start cleaning it. And just real light pressure. I'm not really pushing real hard, but I'm not pushing too soft either. I don't want to work myself to death here. I mean, it's coming back, but some of this is just pitted, so I don't know. I'm going to continue on it, and we'll see how it turns out. Alright, so here's after cleaning it up. As you can see, it makes a heck of a difference, but it's still not 100%. You can still see there's some pitting and some stuff like that. I really need to take this to a jeweler now that I've got this cleaned up and get him to polish it for me. But I think for the time being, it's pretty good. I think it's about as good as I'm going to get it. So we'll set that over there with the rest of the stuff. Now this is just a piece of plastic. I can almost break that. It's not glass. So it makes me wonder if that glass piece was broken at one time and this was a replacement, because the sun has absolutely soaked this with yellow. And I know the napkin's not the best piece to use, but we're going to use it anyways, because why not? It's already messed up, so if I could get a new one, that would probably be best. Something that wasn't as yellowed, because this is just almost too much yellow. It came out better. Pitted. Spray it again. And I'm just using household bleach. Nothing serious. And there it is. And the clock, if you were still wondering, this is shut the camera off for like 5 or 6 minutes. Still going. Crazy. Just like that, she's ticking away. And she's holding up pretty quickly to time. I had to adjust the fast and slow pace of it, and it's sitting about 2 or 3 clicks under halfway. I don't think I'm going to replace that dial. I like the way it looks. Pretty snazzy.